everyone, it's Nicole with Plan with Nicole, and today I'm going to do a small unboxing of some things I bought during after the Christmas sale. They were mostly things that I had wanted, before Christmas and just hadn't bought, starting with Rong Rong stickers. So let me move my box, and actually let's move this Happy Planner packaging. So I had wanted these Rongrong stickers, the holiday sticker book. I know we're past the holidays, but I figured we could use them next year. And I bought 2 of each of these because I am giving some of these to my daughter. She wanted some, and so I picked these up for her. Hopefully we can maybe get her to do a guest video at some point. You might have already seen these flip throughs. They were all over when these first came out, so these are definitely not new, but I wanted these for next year's spreads. So I had put it off, and I finally decided with the after the Christmas sale to just go ahead and pick it up for next year. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Really excited. So got that, and again, yes, 2 of them. I also picked up This Is My Year sticker book, and I got 2 of these as well because I thought my daughter would like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So this can be used at any time. I like the goals and all of that here in these. I thought that was fun. Oh, I like all these crafting stickers. That's fun. Plan, due date, all of these. Oh, that rainbow is so cute. Yeah, so I picked these up. And then, of course, all of the fashionable ladies. Love this. I have never used any of the Rong Rong stickers, but you're going to notice there is a theme here because I love them. I had been on the fence about it, and then, of course, when I decide I want them, they're a little bit harder to find. So I went straight to the Rong Rong site. I will definitely drop a note down below if you can still get some of these. And then I did get the WINTERLAND. I thought some of these wintry ones would actually work for January spreads. And this is the sticker pack. So I got this because my daughter's going skiing with her grandfather. She's done that the last 3 years. And I knew she'd probably like those kind of things. Just how cute are these stickers? I love it. Oh, there's the skiing ladies again. And then, of course, a lot of holiday, which we can hold on to for next year. But I loved, like, the winter outfits. I thought those could be used. So cute. I love this. So without the Christmas stuff, this is just great for cold, wintry January, maybe February, maybe March days, whatever. So that is what I got from Rongrong. Basically just 3 things, but again, I was being a good mom, and I picked up a few things for my daughter because she asked for a planner for Christmas, so I got her a new Happy Planner that she wanted. So let's see. Next thing, they always include these stickers in here. I picked all of these up on sale, so I don't have any of the squad books either. I picked up squad goals because I thought it would be fun. Yes, and it's very seasonal, but I thought for next year's spreads, I mean, I can't believe I've never picked these up before. So nothing here is brand new, but I just kind of wanted to talk through why I got some of the things I did. So, and I also got Squad Life. That can be used anytime. There's also lots of seasonal in this as well, but I just love these. I, again, don't know why I never picked those up. And then, yes, more Rongrong. And there's going to be 2 of each of Rongrong. Peyton actually, my daughter's name is Peyton. She actually has some of the squad ones, so I didn't get her those. She got them and I didn't, but I did get the Rongrong books from the Happy Planner, at least the ones in the classic sizes that they still had. I liked like the summery type vibe here. I like that there's so many like check lists. Sorry, I cannot talk today. I like all of these. The colors for pastels for spring are so pretty. Boxes, and then of course all of the great stickers and things, quotes, more boxes, and then the girls, which are always fashionable and so pretty. I'm really excited to use these. And then, you know, these are seasonal, so really excited. I kind of wish I'd had some of these for a New Year's spread. And I'm not going to lie when I say I picked this up because New Year's is kind of hard to find in stickers. Oh, those are pretty. Okay, so we got the seasonal Rongrong stickers from the Happy Planner. I picked up Dream Seeker. This, I have contemplated it several times and I've never gotten it. But I kind of decided I liked the florals, and this is what I really like. I really like the feathers in here. So I'll probably do some spreads with those. I think these quotes are super pretty. I wish the Happy Planner would do more quotes without foiling though. And this is going to be such a lame problem, but it's hard to photograph. Splatters. You guys know my love of splatters. Great little checklists, all kinds of little stickers, washi, boxes. Really pretty. I thought it was pretty. I don't know why I've never picked it up before, but it was on sale. So I got that one. Again, that's Dream Seeker. I picked up the mega box of these stickers because I've used so many of the ones I have. Definitely that was just a I need extras type of purchase because this is probably my favorite. Besides the colors of Oasis, this is my favorite Disney sticker book. And I feel like I'm zoomed out really far. So I got that, and then in addition to that, I also picked up another one of these because I actually had used a ton of these, and this is my favorite princess sticker book. So I picked up these, again, both on sale. Okay, and then I guess we'll do this one. I don't have this Merry and Bright sticker book. I know we're past Christmas, but I decided to go ahead and pick this up. I don't know why I've never gotten this one. I really liked it. So not new. Who knows if it'll be available next year, but I liked, okay, so I really liked that it had these for scene building. You guys know how much I love scene building. So lots of great boxes, washi, coffee mugs. I'm excited to use this next season. I have a lot of plans for next Christmas for my planner. And then I did get the Rongrong Going Places girls. My daughter is always going places. She's going on a lot of vacations lately. So I got this, and I got it for me too, just because I thought the girls were really cute. I mean, I wish I looked like that. Okay, so this is a really cute book again. I'm excited to incorporate some of these into my spreads, even if we're not going places, just to use some of these ladies because I think they're really, really cute. Oh my gosh, I love that swimsuit. So this is just really, really cute. I love the artwork here. So I got two of those, one for her and one for me. So that is my Happy Planner haul and my Rongrong haul. Everything I got here was on sale. I think this sale is probably over. It was an extra certain percent off. I can't even remember now. So was this. But I will link everything that I showed here today in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out, because they probably still are all on sale. And you can check those out if you saw anything that interests you. So thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new planning video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!